I'm Danny Chow, a principal at Sweater, and I am excited to share with you all today why we invested in the Last Gameboard. The Last Gameboard is a company behind Gameboard, an industry-disrupting touchscreen device for social gaming. The device brings tech-enabled innovation to any form of tabletop gaming with a native ecosystem built to provide maximum benefit and minimum compromise. One major reason why we invested in the Last Gameboard is due to the strong macro tailwinds we saw behind tabletop gaming. As many know, tabletop games are both resurging to the mainstream and shifting towards digitalization. Dungeons and Dragons, for example, has recently seen year-over-year sales doubling, but tabletop gaming is one of the last interactive categories in which a digital medium has not emerged. But we believe Gameboard is capturing a pivotal time in the intersection of these trends with the right technology and hardware to be the one-stop shop for the digital revolution. Secondly, we believe in the outstanding team and investors behind the product and business. Co-founder and CEO Shale Mehta not only demonstrated an impressive ability to attract talent, but also showcased her strength in sourcing strategic and influential investors and advisors such as Riot Games, Unreal Engine, and SOSV Hacks, and in onboarding marquee content creators like Osmodi and Direwolf Digital. We are incredibly excited to have the Last Gameboard in our portfolio and to announce this ahead of their beta close on February 28th, which means you will all soon be able to join the next evolution of play by buying a Gameboard.